Hi everyone, this is my pasta bake that I've got with my family and everyone. So let's dish them up then. Right, this looks tasty. Well, I wouldn't call it tasty, but it is better than nothing. And we'll put this on the plate, very hot. And we'll get the rest of it. And then put more on the plate. And then, yeah, we'll get my knife and fork out, or fork, and we'll take this on the table, and we'll have some dinner then. Yeah. Right, let's test this out then. Pasta bake, below on it because it's a bit hot. Not bad. I'll call 9.5. Let's have some more. Very hot. That's good. Now it's hot. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoy it. Like, comment below, subscribe. If you want me to do more of this, there'll be more videos coming up on holiday. And there'll be a plane video coming up. But there'll be some food tech reviews on holiday. So me going up to the filming. So watch out for that. And subscribe to my channel. Would help me out a lot. And we'll see you in the next video very soon. Bye everyone.